Welcome to the SpaceLift installation videos, a complement to your installation manuals. The videos are broken into 8 sections. You are watching Video 8, Installing the Deflectors.
You will need an electric screwdriver, a number 2 Phillips head bit, and 6 supplied screws, 3 for each side. The deflectors are used to cover the edges of the frame so cargo doesn't get caught on the edges as it goes through the opening. They also enclose the straps. The deflectors have 3 holes on top that correspond to 3 holes on the top of the side panels on the main housing. After you have checked to make sure the SpaceLift is working properly, you are now ready to add the deflectors. The deflectors attach to the inside of each of the side rails of the main SpaceLift housing. Put the SpaceLift in its resting position. Turn off the SpaceLift with a key switch or wait for the unit to time out. Install the deflectors from the top. When installing the deflector, make sure that the 3 screw holes are on top and the side of the deflector is facing the inside of the lift, so that when it is installed, it becomes a channel for the polyweb strapping. The top screw holes on the deflector must line up to the top of the side panel. Place the matching deflector so it overlaps above the external rail and the 3 holes match up. Place the bottom of the deflector so it is inside the outer side rail. The bottom lip of the deflector must be on the inside of the bottom of the side rail. When the deflectors are positioned correctly and the top holes are lined up properly, support the deflector and starting with the middle screw, screw into the top of the deflector and the side rail. Repeat this for the ends of the deflector. Repeat the entire process on the other side.
Thank you for choosing the SpaceLift Attic Lift. If you have further questions, you may call SpaceLift at 203-446-4699 or email us through the website at www.spaceliftproducts.com.